Good evening, everyone. 10 billion cards are printed every year. $1 billion go into printing these 10 billion cards each year. And 88 billion of these cards are thrown out after being received. And in the process, 6 million trees are lost. Additionally, business cards are hard to organize and manage. There's no collaboration opportunities. They're costly to produce, and their static nature makes it impossible to update the information on them. So when the information on them is stale, the cards are useless. So who needs these anymore? I'm excited to introduce to you Wasp. Wasp offers digital business cards that live directly on the user's phones. They enable efficient sharing because now users are able to quickly share or scan the card's QR code without having to worry about managing or organizing their cards. Additionally, Wasp revolutionizes the networking process because now people are able to easily connect. They are able to stay connected, and through AI-driven features, users don't have to worry about a long process to create a card because there are 2 steps, which you will see later. There's also the feature of organized contacts. How many of you use LinkedIn? Okay, now I'm going to say something that I'm sure many of you agree with. I'm sure all of us have hundreds of contacts on LinkedIn. How hard is it to go through these contacts, remember each person's name, remember where you met them, who they are, and why you even saved their contact? Through Wasp, you're able to categorize all of the cards you save, all of the contacts you save. So for example, if I wanted to save all of your contacts, I can get all of your cards and make a category Techstars Boston 2023, and now I will always remember who you are, where I met you. So this is our prototype. Users open the app, and this is a little glimpse into it. Users open the app, they see create a card or login. So if they create a card, they answer a few questions, their name, their last name, their company, additional information. And then through AI-driven features, their card is created. So as you can see, 2 simple steps eliminating the hassle and cost that comes with producing cards.
Now, thinking this is a Friday evening, 19 people walking. Everybody, you know your competence, and you are varying with whom you're going to work. Someone who has complementary skills with you, so you can work through the weekend, really bring your ideas into a result, okay? Now how to do it? This is our solution. Could you please hold up your phone in your hand? Yeah, shake once. Your information pass through. Shake twice. Your competence pass through. Shake 3 times. Your personality pass through. So, we match competence, we match skills between competent person. Yeah? So please go on. So that's shake your phones, please. Now our targeted market is every organization, private users that want to be innovative. Cities like Boston, big companies who want to bring their innovative capacity, which is embedded of every of their employees, which you couldn't access right now, will make that true right away. Okay, so our initial target is innovative-driven large companies, and also the individual users who want to connect with people. Please. So our business model is event management. We charge a small amount per month for each user. And we charge, we do not charge for the general public for general usage, but for the premium users, we charge a fee. Please. In down the line, we're going to build more features like AI-driven face recognition for faster team building, your cross-border team building, like you like travel, you go to another country, you want to talk with the people that you have never met before, but you want to know they're on the business trip, you want to meet the other business professionals in hotel, in the bars. Yeah, so that's our team. Hita.
Time.
Yeah. Annie.
Time.
Thank you.
Yes. Anything? Audra, you first, then Audra.
All right. Well, paper business cards are the cockroach of the business world. They've survived nuclear, all of those things. And we recently, saw iOS 17 add a feature called Name Drop, where you bump the phones and exchanges. How are you guys thinking of being either different or providing even more ease for the business card, printed business card to actually go away someday?
Yeah, so I think the differentiator between us and all other platforms that offer digital business cards or digital contacts is that through our platforms, users are able to really easily organize their contacts. And I think that's the biggest thing. I know a lot of us have a lot of difficulty organizing our contacts. We might save a bunch of contacts digitally even, and then later on it's hard to go back and remember who's who, or maybe later you remember, oh, I met this marketing expert, but you can't remember their name, so it's hard to go back. So I think that's the differentiator, and that's what really sets us apart.
And also we're inventing a new thing called wasping, and you'll see that around, and this will go viral. That little dance wasping will, and we're going to partner with Eric Modell to be the first location-based wasping. So this is an official partnership that we made, and we're working on Techstars partnership. But this with Meetup, you'll see Meetup powered by Wasp soon.
So, guys, I can see a $600 a month for like an enterprise level business model, but for the everyday person, $600 a month is pretty exorbitant. And so, are you targeting only businesses in the event management space or other modalities as well?
Good question. So in phase 1, we're targeting mainly regular people or business professionals like you and I. So through our surveys that we conducted, 4 out of 4 users stated that they are willing to use this platform for free, but with ads. And 3 out of 4 stated they're willing to use this platform without ads and pay $9.99. So that would annually. So that would be.
And then how's the information getting organized? You said it helps you to organize your contacts. Is that all manually driven by the user themselves?
So in terms of organizing, we will be using AI features to kind of organize the dates from which you save your contacts. But in terms of organizing, like making a category to save like, Boston 2023 Techstars, that would be manually.
And that's time. And that is time.